What's up, YouTube? The GOAT back again with another customization. Finally, this is going to be my first customization of 2020. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little backstory on these Travis Scott Crocs that I created. I'm supposed to have had this custom finished like 3 months ago, but seeing how bad I am when it comes to procrastinating, I put this video off for too long. And before I even uploaded this video, I searched YouTube to check and see if anybody actually did the custom, and somebody actually did, and you know, their custom looks better than mine's in my opinion. But without further ado, let's just go and get started. So as you guys can see, you know, the first steps to doing any customization, just overall cleaning the shoe. You want to paint on a clean surface. Okay, next step in our customization is cotton balls and acetone. I know some of you guys are like, why is he using that when there's no paint on the shoe? Sometimes when I'm cleaning shoes, sometimes I run into tougher stains that don't come off at all. So that's what this step is pretty much for, is to get out tougher stains. And after that's done, what we're going to be doing next is just basically taping off the bottom sole to just block some of the paint. So 3, 2. Now after all of the taping, the cleaning, here comes the longest process of this customization. That's painting the whole shoe brown. Now luckily I have my heat gun to speed the process up, but this step is really time consuming, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys. So lately I haven't really been into just like recording myself doing a lot of these restorations, customizations, and I know you guys like that when I post those on the channel. That's pretty much where most of my views come from, is my customs and my restorations. So I'm gonna try my best this year is to get these videos out to you guys instead of putting it on hold, because I have a lot of ideas for you guys. You guys know I love to customize Crocs. You know, it's probably one of my favorite house shoe of all time. But you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna try and stay inspired for you guys. And another thing, when it comes to these customs, my past customs, I like to keep the scraps. So I have a lot of Nike checks. So what I did for you guys was I got my own Nike checks, and I just basically painted it for you guys. I don't know what I'm doing in this video. I don't really want to cut it out, but yeah, I just took my own Nike check basically and just painted it black. It'll be easy if you have a black check mark, but this is for people who don't have one. So yeah, again, just paint over it, a couple layers, hit it with the heat gun, and then boom, basically your custom is finished. Okay, next step before finishing off, spray your custom with some matte finish. I know it's look like I'm spraying a lot of varnish when I'm really not, because crazy part is about this video is I'm actually out of varnish. So it was just like the correct amount, as you guys can see. So after you finish spraying the varnish, just let the varnish sit there and let it dry, so you don't want to get any fingerprints on your customs. And after that, just pretty much take off the paint, which I really can't. Hold on one second, let me get this piece. Okay, so yeah, after that, just pretty much remove the tape and find some glue, which I will show you guys in a few more seconds. Just pretty much just put that on. And what I like to do when it comes to my Travis Scott customs, I love to put the check mark backwards, because that's just different when it comes to his shoes in general, is the backwards check mark. That's how a lot of guys recognize that it's a Travis Scott custom, because of the brown and the backwards check. And after all that, just try and get the best angle as possible for the check mark on your shoe, and then you're finished. Now, like, comment, and subscribe for more customs and vintage content. I know this custom isn't what you thought it was or would be popping, but just take the concept from it and add your own things, and I'm out.